What's up, everybody? Right back with another video. Sorry, it's been a minute, guys. I'm just trying to get something done for you as we possibly can, so bear with me here. But at least it's daytime. Good old March night. I smell it. Something's burning. Fix your face. No Home Alone kid today. It's truly beautiful out. Good boy. Don't do it, Liam. It'll hurt. Told you. I told you. I tried to tell you.
Whoa. What you doing down there, Mo?
Things I don't want to know for 1,000. Let's keep it PG. Let's keep it PG. This ain't the X-rated trash show. But it does get dirty. I'm just kidding. Tickets to the gun show? What the fuck? Man, listen, I will beat him. Right behind you.
How much for the new guy? Too much money.
Oh shit, sorry, my finger was in there. Hey, you don't touch stuff that don't belong to you. I almost said shit, but I didn't say it. I didn't say it. I did that time though, man.
You work in the sun to grab all on Thanksgiving.
Hey boss, how much for the new guy? Too much money? Bruh.
Too much money.
Too much money, bruh.
Man.
Liam throwing shit.
That was all you.
That was
all you.
That was God's effect. Is that even ours? I don't know about that, buddy. I think we're doing free shit again.
That's pretty cool.
Peekaboo. Ooh. Hey boss, how much for the new guy? Too much money. Wires. It's the wires. It's on the wires. Hey! He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Too much money. So we got a little joke, guys. Every time somebody messes up or whatever, we say, "How much for the new guy? Too much money." Good boy. Pure waterfall effect. Beautiful.
Need a gallon.
Are you gonna drink some?
For you?
I thought about it. I'm pretty thirsty. I think it'd be high in protein. I really do. What do you think?
You got all your daily carbs.
I mean, you got a little bit of everything in there, bud. Gas, oil. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can get your injectors cleaned real quick.
Looked up.
Oh, now you're talking. Hey, there's a fucking truck right there. Hey, how much for the new guy? Too much money.
You got it?
Fucking truck.
He just looks up there when he does that.
He does.
Money.
All right, guys, coming up on 5 minutes, so you know what time it is. Yeah, we're gonna be out after this. All right, guys, see you guys in the next one. We're out.